Next topic, the objectives of accounting. What is the purpose of accounting? Why do we need accounting in place first? First of all, we'll enter all the financial transactions. Second, we can easily find out the profit and loss. Third, we'll know the financial position. Financial position is nothing but how much worth of business are we doing? Are we going in the right path to sustain in the business or so to sustain in the market? Okay, so that is financial position. We can know the financial position through the balance sheet. Fourth one is the information has to be given to various stakeholders, the users of the information we say, right? So all the users, that is employees, customers, creditors, shareholders, everybody must know how the business is being performed. So for that purpose, accounting is important. And the properties of the business are to be utilized properly. There shouldn't be more number of properties which is of no use. Okay, if there is use for one computer, only one computer should be there in the office. If they since they have more money, they cannot afford many computers where all the others will remain idle, which is going to be a waste. Okay, so always properties are to be utilized properly. And the last one is to know the liquidity and solvency position of the enterprise, which means, as I said, we would have bought many products at home in installments, but we must be in a position to repay all these whatever we have got in the installments. So the solvency or liquidity is where we must be able to repay or pay off the debts whatever we got. Okay, so these are the objectives of accounting. The next topic is functions of accounting. So here, what is the major function or what are the main functions of accounting process? First one, measurement. So here we always keep a proper record of all the transactions. We pass those transactions into the journals. From there we post it to the ledger, and from there we'll prepare the final accounts. So there is always a measurement. Okay, it acts as a tool for measuring the performance, because at the end what we know, whether the business is doing for a prospective business or not, that is whether they are gaining ample profit or not. Next topic or next function is forecasting. Forecasting is nothing but what we expect in the near future. Okay, that is forecasting the expectations, right? So the future performances or future position of the business can easily be identified when we use the accounting tool. Then third one is comparison. So we might have planned something else. Okay, for example, let's take again family itself. We might have planned to save rupees 15,000 in a month, but because of certain things we were not able to save 15,000. Instead we were able to save only say 10,000. So we can compare we have where we are not able to save that 5,000. What made us not to save that 5,000 rupees? So that is what comparison means. The same way, while starting the business or the when the accounting year starts, the company would have expected certain amount of profit, but if they get less or more than what they have expected, in that case they can easily compare with their forecasting. Okay, then fourth one is decision making. So here all the informations whatever accounting provides will be relevant to the management. That is, these information will be helpful for the management in planning for their future aspects, and also how to improve the performance or where to exactly control the expenses. All these can be done, all the decisions can be made through these accounting process. Then control. So here control talks about like the strength and weakness. There may be, as I said, there may be only usage of only one system, one computer, but Since we had more money, we would have bought many computers which is going to be idle, so there is no control over the expenses which are being made. Okay. And also there must be certain policies and procedures which are to be followed in the organization, wherein again the management will have control over all those policies and programs or the procedures. Again, that can be done through this function, through this accounting process. The last one is assistance to the government. So why here we talk about government is, there are certain place where like, first of all, any business organization, when they get profit, they have to pay income tax, right? For paying the income tax, government needs how much business they are doing. Government needs to know how much worth business they are doing, how much profit the business is earning. All these things are required for the government also to get the tax from the business people. And the second thing which is helpful for the business organization is the subsidy. That is, uh, they will get, we say, right, what do we call, we need not pay certain amount of tax if we are doing like agricultural goods, agricultural products manufacturing. Manufacturers need not pay, the farmers need not pay this, pay the tax, because they get subsidiary worry ape, we call it. Okay. Which means you need not pay income tax at all. So there are certain controls over the grant of subsidy and all. Okay, right? So though for those purpose and all, we need, that is, the government also needs information from the business organization, and which we can easily get from the accounting process. So with this, I'll wind off today's session. So today we saw the accounting cycle, step by step of accounting cycle. To just give a recap, accounting cycle starts from recording the transactions, moves on to journal, then ledger, trial balance, preparation of trading account, preparation of profit and loss account, preparation of balance sheet. Then it comes to opening entry, again journal, and so on for the next accounting period. Next, what we saw is the objectives of accounting, why the accounting is necessary, what is the importance of accounting, why do we need accounting. Okay, so all those we saw. Then the last topic what we saw for today is functions of accounting. So where, what is the main function, where it helps exactly, how it helps to the government, how it helps the management, how it helps, how it helps the business to move on or to perform in the near future. Okay, so this is all about today's topic. So I have given you 2 mark answers in the attachment. Copy those 2 mark answers in the notebook. And also, there may be certain new students also who did not write even one word answers. I'll be giving that attachment also. Please complete all the work whatever I'm giving. And also, maintain your classwork very neatly. Thank you, students.